Hello students, in the previous video, we observed the number patterns and wrote the next 4 rational numbers. We also learned to obtain another rational number which is equivalent to the given rational numbers. Today, we are going to learn representation of rational numbers on the number line. So, let us represent the rational number on the number line. Question number 4. Draw the number line and represent the following numbers on it. Students, in this question, we have to draw the number line and represent the rational numbers on it. Students, we have learned the representation of natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and fractions on the number line earlier. We can also represent rational numbers on the number line. Before representing rational numbers on the number line, let us understand some of the facts one should keep in mind during its representation. Fact number 1. All the positive integers are always represented on the right of 0. This holds for rational numbers as well, and thus positive rational numbers are always represented on the right of 0 and negative rational numbers on the left of 0. Fact number 2. Pairs of integers such as 1, -1 or -2, 2 or -3, 3, etc. are all equidistant from 0. This holds true for rational numbers as well. 1 upon 2 and -1 upon 2 are equidistant from 0 but represented on opposite sides of 0. Fact number 3. The distance between 0 and 1 is known as the unit length. Thus, distance between 0 and 2 will be 2 unit length. So, will the distance between 0 and -2. Similarly, distance between 0 and 1 upon 2 will be half unit length. Students, now let us solve question number 4. Sum number 1. 3 upon 4. Students, the denominator of the rational number 3 upon 4 is 4. And we know that 3 upon 4 lies between 0 and 1. Thus, we have to divide the unit length from 0 to 1 into 4 equal parts, as the denominator of this rational number is 4. Students, note that on the number line, first of all, we will mark 0, 1 and -1, and then we will divide each unit length into 4 equal parts, as denominator of rational number 3 upon 4 is 4. So, let us mark 3 upon 4 on the number line on the right of 0, as 3 upon 4 is a positive rational number. Marking 0 at the center. 1 on the right of 0 and -1 on the left of 0. Now dividing each unit into 4 parts and marking 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4 between 0 and 1 as 3 upon lies between 0 and 1. Now sum number 2, minus 5 upon 8. Students, the denominator of rational number minus 5 upon 8 is 8, and we know that minus 5 upon 8 lies between 0 and minus 1. Thus, we have to divide the unit length from 0 to minus 1 into 8 equal parts, as the denominator of minus 5 upon 8 is 8. So let us mark minus 5 upon 8 on the number line on the left of 0, as minus 5 upon 8 is a negative rational number and is at the same distance as 5 upon 8 from 0. First of all, marking 0, then 1 on the right of 0 and minus 1 on the left of 0, and then dividing each unit length such as minus 1 upon 8, minus 2 upon 8, minus 3 upon 8, minus 4 upon 8, minus 5 upon 8, minus 6 upon 8, minus 7 upon 8, and minus 8 upon 8, that is minus 1 into 8 equal parts, as the denominator of this rational number is 8 from 0 to minus 1, as minus 5 upon 8 lies between 0 and minus 1. Now sum number 3, minus 7 upon 4. Students, minus 7 upon 4 is an improper fraction. So let us first convert minus 7 upon 4 into a mixed fraction in order to know that where we have to mark minus 7 upon 4 or where it lies. Thus, converting minus 7 upon 4 into mixed fraction, we get minus 1 integer 3 upon 4. Thus, minus 7 upon 4 lies between minus 1 and minus 2. Also, it is the halfway between minus 1 and minus 2. Students, note that minus 7 upon 4 lies between minus 1 and minus 2. So, we don't have to mark minus 7 upon 4 between 0 and minus 1 like previous sum. But we have to mark it between minus 1 and minus 2, as it lies between minus 1 and minus 2. So let us mark minus 7 upon 4 on the number line. Marking 0. Then 1 on the right of 0. Minus 1 on the left of 0. And minus 2 on the left of 0. And then marking minus 1 upon 4, minus 2 upon 4, minus 3 upon 4, minus 4 upon 4, that is minus 1, minus 5 upon 4, minus 6 upon 4, minus 7 upon 4, and minus 8 upon 4, that is minus 2, between 0 and minus 2. Students, note that minus 7 upon 4 is the 7th marking from 0 to its left, whereas third marking from minus 1 to its left. Students, solve sum number 4 by yourself.